Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings, blessings, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. When you hear the voice, you know see a one and only Atafa the Press. Me go kick it off like this. Hanover tour bus operator charged with rape. You hear what me just say? Hanover tour bus operator charged with rape. A Hanover tour bus operator was arrested and charged with rape following an incident in the parish on March the 10th. 36-year-old Mervyn Jarrett of New Mills District was arrested by detectives assigned to the Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse. My wisdom warrior, you see all them something here? You see all them something here? Remember, when you have bus operator, on the road, remember, so them are people where everybody trusts, You even have parents, You even have parents where we tell a bus operator or a taxi driver say, yeah, just look on your pitney or come bring your pitney to school for you. Why? Why you think parents do that? Because parents trust them. Remember, a bus operator, we are drive bus and I work in certain areas. I run taxi, I run bus in certain area for years, span top of years. And your pitney we are take that the bus regularly. So obviously parents get to know them and stuff like that and trust some of them. Some parents is like that. You understand? And to show you, these bus operators doing all these things to children, it is unacceptable. They have to stop it. I wonder how much more people into this too. My wisdom warriors, only thing me can do is wonder how much, because you see, a lot of them bus operator and taxi operator, a lot of them I do these things from a long time, Yeah, enough of them just get catch. Seriously. If people come out and talk, if pitney come out and talk, our parents come out and talk, we wouldn't be so surprised. Yes, but some of them scared also. That's one other thing. You have some pitney go through it, but they're afraid to tell them parents. I have some parents too, they're afraid to talk. You understand? But Jaja, this is not good. This not look good at all. This just not look good. And bus operator and taxi operator, taxi driver, you need to stop all these things. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. You understand me? Left the little pitney them alone. Left the little pitney them alone. Left the pitney them alone, man. Uno two touches. I want them to uno. What happened to uno? Uno sick now, uno rat to the whole head. Uno sick. For always I do these type of things to pitney. Uno sick now on the brain, man. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me how you feel about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Tourist Minister Edmunt Bartley says the industry has continued to its upward growth in 2024, making his presentation in the sectoral debates in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. He says both visitor arrivals and earnings have increased. So you hear that? Anytime it come to earnings, to money, you see them face light up like Christmas tree. Anytime. You see the way how them are going? You see how they happy, how the tourists then come and spend their money. But they're not happy to fix the health system. In case if nothing happen to the tourists then can get looked after. You see how them stay? This is why I do not blame America. I do not blame Canada for putting out their travel advisory. I do not blame them. Because on a need to fix on a healthcare system. And at that, the travel advisor was saying on a need to fix on a healthcare system because on a healthcare system is a failure. So on a glad to collect tourist money. On a gladly and happy to collect tourist money. But on not glad to fix the healthcare system. Look how much money on earn. Look how much money on get. My wisdom warriors, amount of money them receive to backside. Make for them face light up like Christmas tree. Amount of money them receiving them. And when it come to fixing the healthcare system, they don't want to do that. And that will not help tourists, because a lot of tourists come and meet in an accident. You have a lot of tourists also feel ill and stuff like that. And them always go back and complain. You understand? They always go back and complain. So, you need to do the right thing. You need to do the right thing, because you can't have visitors and the healthcare system is a failure. That no make no sense. Make it make sense. According to Mr. Bartlett, despite difficulties on the global stage, I hear him, including high inflation and geopolitical instability, Jamaica remains a key tourism destination. Yes, which is true. Jamaica, this is why, you see how you come out and you feel so proud. You feel so proud of the performance and everything. This is why Rick's Cafe come out also and say, ministers, when you come fix the road down on the grill. And that the man say, no, when you go fix the road, come fix the road, because they are attracting more customers. So fix the road. And all know they can't fix the road. Andrew Holness promised them. Promise them from Wapikil fill up and all. No, Andrew Holness. You know, say no work I go on. No work no start. But remember say Andrew Holness come out, you know, and say work I go start, you know. All know my wisdom warriors. So me just a show no. It is good, yes, if you receive your money. Uno glad. Uno money are going on the pocket. Everybody nice. Every top dog nice. Want them to the bottom people them. The whole uno happy. See Nigel Clark come out now. Has a money shortfall. I must in a pocket. For him and Andrew Holness and phone a pocket. That the money the shortfall go. Cause uno never make it look like that. Say money was a problem. Uno say everything up and running. And there is no problem with money, because uno have money. A billions. No mind trillions on a collect if we really check it. This, he says, has resulted in significant growth for tourism over the last year. So guess what now, my viewers and subscribers? True, because they did attract more tourists and stuff like that. True, then they attract more tourists. This is why they did fight the travel advisory. And that then did I do, you know, because they must say, wait, so how no say this and that happen, yes, so, and the people then still a come. The people them know say things is happening, yes, but it's the right thing, the travel advisory they were doing. America was doing the right thing, Canada was doing the right thing. They was putting a warning out to them people, nothing wrong with that. And a phone, I don't know about the fault, make uno no want put out no warning for phone people, and uno no care about phone people. And I know about the fault, you know. And I know about the fault. So true, because they did that grow. You understand, our money you make and everything up and running now. They never want America to put out the travel advisory, because they think say it go tap them food. That was the big deal. Oh, me tell you no say, if you no look at every angler, everything, it's about money for them. It's about money for JLP. And it is really sad. Kind of like so when they get the money, they might look after the people, them at Jamaica. Uno not. You understand me? But my wisdom warriors, uno tell me what you think. Hear this. Opposition spokesman on water, Ian Hale, says the shifting plans for the proposed water improvement project in Western Jamaica have raised doubts about the overall project. He is calling for clarity on the matter from the minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. My viewers and subscribers, you see when this money come out, man, you see this money, you know, back this money, you know. Because this man has stand up for the people, them, you know. He is being the voiceless, you know, for the Westmoreland people, them, you know. Yes, man, and the Hanover people. Yes, this a man, this a man, uno feel proud of him, you know. Uno feel proud of Ian Hale. Seriously, a serious thing me I tell you now. Because you have Matthew Samu that always come out and telling lies on the platform. And that him do, he must say how them a go run this a pipeline here. When he know say, nothing no go so. He knows that the pipeline where them a plan for run, he not go work. And even if it a go work, it's not going to be now. It's going to be in the future. So when you hear these people come out, Mato Samuda, come out and a chat off him out. No listen to them Jamaican people. No listen to them. You understand? Them telling pure lies. Too much lies. You know what? Taking Ian Hales.
For Western Jamaica, you're going to be starting phase 1 from Martha Brae into Great River?
The first is the replacement of the pipelines from Martha Brae into St. James, and Peter would have explained the interlinkage with all the rivers in terms of ensuring that where sources are, you connect where people are, as well as the line pretty much from Rossies into Negril.
Now I want the people of Westmoreland and Negril to listen to me now, you know. You said phase 1 that you're starting is from Martha Brae in Trelawney to Great River in St. James border in Hanover. That will be phase 1. Now, Minister, from Martha Brae to Great River, it's anywhere between 55 and 70 kilometers of pipeline you'll be running. Between 55 and 70 kilometers of pipeline you'll be running. You then go on to mention that phase 2 will be from Rossies into the west end of Negril, which is another 55 to 70 kilometers of pipeline. And you said you'd be running a 24-inch main. Now, I keep telling you, you need to go around and visit the treatment plants and the facilities across Jamaica.
Ian Hills, them the man they now go round and visit nothing. Them the man they only come out and chat and tell pure lie. Anytime them the man they go visit, a helicopter them take. Taxpayer money I use for them take helicopter from one point to another point. You understand me? Them a man and visit nothing. They ain't just paid for come and tell pure lie. That's all. That's all that happen. And it's just the truth. Because Matthew Samuda come out and I say something when he knows that it now go work. So then just take Jamaican people for idiot. You understand? And I don't understand why Jamaicans sit down. And why uno no do. Uno no understand what is happening in our war. Uno need to get up, man. Uno need to get uno wait pan. Well, not really a weird pan. Me tell you already, you know. Me tell you already. So you see how Marlene Malahua and Andrew Owens are rush. You see how them are rush with Constitution. You see how them are rush to remove the monarch. You see? All right. Me say. You are going to learn the hard way. You remember, you know. You say if you not do the right thing, you will learn the hard way. Anyway, here more.
Minister, let me help you out and the staff of NWC. The pipeline from Great River into Rossies now is a 20-inch pipeline. You cannot run a 24-inch pipeline now from Rossies into Negril when the water that is coming in is being brought in by a 20-inch main.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see the pipeline? Say a 20-inch. So when you hear me talk about 24-inch, now listen to this, Amania. Do not listen to Matthew Samuda appear rubbish them chat. Hear more.
Wrong again, Minister. But I want to go further to the people of Westmoreland. From Roaring River to Negril, it's 32 kilometers a pipeline they would have to run. Now, Minister, let me ask you a question. Why would you go and run over 120 kilometers of pipeline when you can run the 32 and give the people water from Roaring River to Negril?
That me I say too. My wisdom warrior. That me I say too. Remember say, you know, them have Roaring River, you know. Remember say that the water there is like spring water, you know, my viewers and subscribers. A spring water, you know. You understand? A spring water. So why you not give the people them? Why you not give the people them water from Roaring River? Why you not give them that? Why you not do that? Because you don't want the people have no water. You don't want the people them to have water. Somebody comment. I read a comment, my viewers and subscribers, and it is so sickening. Somebody say it is better to have limitations. Somebody commenting up on the water and say it is better to get limit from water from not having no water at all. Me I wonder what kind of thinking is that? How you mean limit with water? Why should you have water flow? Why would somebody come in? Why another human being fi come in and a limit we for water? From water, why? Why should we get limit? When we are pay tax, when we are pay with tax and them a take what they want take, we are limit them? Are we limiting them? So what kind of talk is that? Me have to ask someone because someone really, anyway, Lord Jesus, me have to go back again and say, the labor right then really dons. Then dons bad. Them really dons. Because on labor right alone I come out and I talk all them something there. Only labor right I come out and I talk. It is best to be a limit from water than have no water at all. Lord Jesus, me I say, me no know where no come from. I saw no fool, man. Labor right. I saw no fool, man. Mighty God of Daniel. God have mercy. Have mercy on them. Because they know what they're doing. Seriously. My viewers and subscribers, take in more. Because what Ian Hales say, it make a lot of sense. Why not giving the people them water from roaring river? Go straight down to Negril. Why not? Because this a Manny and Matus and Mood and Andrew Wellness want Jamaican people to suffer. They want Jamaican people to suffer. And I want them to know that. I want them Jamaica to open up on a eye and see what is going on. Them not like we. Them not like the Jamaican people. I have Mattis Amuda, look at him too. Have him come out and talk pure shit, pure nonsense. When him know say it not go work. It's not going to work, Mattis Amuda. What you're talking didn't make no sense. But what Ian Hale say, it makes more sense. Roaring River is there. Why not? Why not give the people them water? Connect it to Roaring River and give the people them water. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Hear more of what Ian Hales is saying.
And let me just say something else to the people. The 100 and odd kilometers of pipeline that they're running, they tell you that they're running all the way to West End, that will be for future development. The only way the residents of Westmoreland go and get water into Negril/West End is when they run it from the Roaring River into Negril or from the Carburetor into Negril. That's the only way. Minister...
Una hear what I'm say, my viewers and subscribers, and they can do it, and them choose not to do it. Roaring River is just there, and they choose not to do it because they not like the people them. It come like they want the people them dead off. It come like una no say wagwan. Una no say wagwan. My wisdom warriors, una tell me what you think about this and put una honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.